Dear scholars, we have been learning a lesson, a true story of sea turtles. Through the previous two videos, you came to know about how the turtles and their eggs were endangered, what author and his colleagues did to protect them, and what were the results of the campaign. Let us see what happened in the further story. So, here, whatever paragraphs we are going to discuss through this video, in which here is the first one. We start with there are 7 types of sea turtles. So, in this paragraph, some facts about sea turtles have been mentioned, and in further observing the results of the project or the campaign, what author and his colleagues did in other places, that is given, as well as the importance of sea turtles have been mentioned. Let us see. There are 7 types of sea turtles in the world, out of which 5 are found in India. So here are the names of the three: the olive ridley turtles, green turtles, and hawkbills. So these are the three mentioned over here. So these turtles are found along the entire coastline of Maharashtra. What is amazing characteristic about them? That is, the female turtle reaches maturity, that is nearly after a gap of 15 years. So as she is of 15 years old or little more, at that time she returns to the shore for what? To lay her eggs at the same place where she was born. So that is what, after the birth, the hatchling reaches to the sea, and after the gap of 15 years, or as she becomes mature and is of 15 years, at that time returns to the same place where she was born. Really, it is one of the amazing characteristics about the sea turtles. Let us see something more. The female comes on shore just to make a nest in the sand and lay her eggs. So it is the work, or it is the purpose, to come back to the seashore again, making nest and laying her eggs. Later on, the female doesn't look after those eggs. Then who hatches them? It is given. The eggs hatch after a period of 45 to 50 days using natural heat. So we can say that female turtle or turtles do not hatch their legs. They hatched out using natural heat within 45 to 50 days. Innumerable dangers await the little hatchlings in the deep sea, and they have to face them all their own. So, after birth or after hatching out, the sea turtles face innumerable dangers, many of the dangers, and due to that, their survival rate is very low. What is that? Only one or two turtles out of 1,000 survive. So really it is very low, and so it is the species on the way to extinct. So whatever author and his colleagues did, that is really appreciable. Let us see something more. Turtles perform an important role or function. What is their importance of turtles? That is given. They keep the sea clean. Thus, they occupy an important place in marine ecology. So, whatever food chain is maintained, whatever environmental balance is maintained, or whatever life cycles that is related to food chain, I repeat, mention or found in the sea, in the marine, that all is maintained by the many of the living beings, many of the marine living beings, and sea turtles are one of the important in them. Considering all these factors, it is vital, it is important to undertake their protection on large scale. So, it is first keeping the sea clean and also maintaining marine ecology. These are the two important functions of turtles, and because of that also it is needed to protect them. Now, after getting the good results of the first campaign, author and his colleagues started implementing this project in other places too. What is that? Within 5 years, the entire coastline of Maharashtra was surveyed. Protection was offered in 80 of the villages where turtle nests found. So all these villages are the nearby villages to the sea coastline. What was the strategy? It is engage those who had so far been involved in stealing the eggs. So, whatever people in the villages used to steal the eggs, used to kill and eat the turtles, they were engaged so that they would not steal, they would not kill, and they would protect the sea turtles. Then, what is something more about them? To train and involve them in the work of protection. So, the work was given to them, that is what? To look after the sea turtles, their eggs, their nests, and for that purpose, some training was given to them. And to encourage the people, author and his friends started Turtle Friends Award, that is Kasav Mitra in Marathi, to encourage more people to be a part of the protection campaign. And because of this award, they got good results. People started engaging in this work their own, and because of that, the hunting reduced. Because of that, the stealing reduced. A comprehensive booklet and a short film on the protection of turtles was prepared to spread the message. So, whatever work done at these campaigns was presented, was published through the books, was shown in the film, so that people will be encouraged. People would be encouraged, they would join, and they would also do the work of protection of turtles. So, this is all about these paragraphs. I hope you will all understand the given explanation and the summary.